Hey, Integrated Science. This is Mrs. Carmeans here with an explanation of your flexible instructional day assignment for Thursday, February 11th, 2021. So it's pretty straightforward what we're going to do. It's kind of what we've been doing yesterday and the day before. Just continue working on these assignments. This is the last day that you'll have to work on these assignments. So what we'll be doing is 2.2, assignment 2, that's the graphic organizer. And I'm still missing that from some people, so make sure to get that done and have that turned in. 2.2, assignment 3, pure substances, reading and questions. This is the CK12, so you go through and you complete a reading on pure substances, and then you have to answer 10 questions correctly in order to get the credit for it. So you'll just keep answering questions until you get to 10 correct. 2.2, assignment 4, mixtures and reading questions. The same thing applies for this assignment. You'll read through a short page on mixtures, and then you'll go through and answer 10 questions correctly. And once you've answered those 10 questions correctly, then you get the points and you can be finished with the assignment. The last thing to work on is 2.2, assignment 5, and that's the classifying matter crossword puzzle. So open up that assignment and then click on the link here. Once you open that link, then you'll go through and you will answer the clues by filling in the correct terms into the crossword puzzle. I have a word bank on here, so here's a hint. And I've listed all the terms from the word bank, so you can use this also to help you if you get stumped on any of the questions. A significant number of you already turned this in. Great job. If you have any questions, just let me know, and feel free to reach out. I have office hours today from 12:30 to 1. All right, enjoy your day from home.